Hi, my name is Martina. I'm going to show you guys how to make macerated fruit. Today we're going to make macerated apples and cranberries. So I've already chopped my cranberries through the same blade as the Israeli, which is a 1/2 inch, and it's this blade right over here. Next up, I'm going to chop my apples. So the way that we chop apples is we're going to do a 1/2 inch dice, and you're going to go ahead and slice the apple slightly off the core. Then I'm going to turn the apple and I'm going to slice the other side off. Next off, you're going to cut off these other two sides, avoiding the center of the core. Get that again. And you're just going to leave the core off. Next up, I'm going to 1/2 inch dice these. So I'm going to cut it in half and then turn it over and cut it in half again. And then I'm going to dice it. And you just repeat that with all the slices of the apple. I'm adding them to a bowl so that we can then add the rest of our ingredients. With the larger slice of apple, you can cut it in half lengthwise, and then you're putting it down on the cutting board so it doesn't move, and then you're going to cut it into matchsticks, and then dice it. Okay. Next up, I have all of my diced apples in here. I'm going to add my cranberries. And then I'm going to add my measured amount of sugar to the bowl. And then I'm going to mix so that all of the fruit is covered in sugar. Okay. Once all the fruit is covered in sugar, I'm going to take a clean third pan and add my fruit to the third pan with all of the sugar. And you're going to let it macerate for at least 1/2 hour and up to 12 hours. Macerating means that the sugar is going to release liquid from the apples and the cranberries, and it's going to create this really nice syrup. So 1/2 hour at least, and up to 12 hours, and then it's ready to serve.